All right, I believe we are recording, so welcome everyone to our bi-weekly SIG Scalability public meeting. We don't have many items on the agenda today, so we don't have many attendees, but that happens. So let me start with basic continuation of what was discussed last time about perf-dash in context of these network performance test cases. So we managed to fix the problem with perf-dash and unblock the push. So thanks, Vivek, for taking care of that. And with that, I just checked that the network latency is recorded, so we can proceed with the discussion in the issue about the negative UDP latency. Just document that shortly. Here. Okay, other than that, I would like to, Marcel, if you have anything to share about backscrubbing, and also I wanted to just do a quick announcement about the documentation revamping that we are doing currently.
Yeah,
that might be super helpful. Go ahead.
Yeah, so about backscrubbing, I don't really have an update, just because last 2 weeks were pretty busy. But hopefully I will be able to start it in the next 2 weeks. And regarding documentation, so I have this first initial PR, and I know that a bunch of people already commented there, and I will be making some changes. And actually, I think what we could discuss is how do we see it and what we would like to have, maybe like kind of like priority. So personally, I think that priority for me is to help users basically to see how they can use cluster loader and how they can write their own test configs. So what I'm thinking about is like the first kind of like getting started tutorial where we just write like simple test, we run it, and then we also run release, for example, release blocking test that is quite important for Kubernetes. And then the second part, I'm thinking about explaining more how to write tests, basically. So go in details about different measurements, maybe, and like the most important ones, or going through how tuning sets work and things like that. So I think those two are probably the most important because most of the times people are using our cluster loader or they want to use it. And then, in my personal opinion, the third priority would be explaining how to extend cluster loader. So how to write your own measurement, how to gather metrics, and how to basically measure whatever you want within your cluster. So for me personally, this is how the scope for updating the dev documentation looks like from my perspective, basically, what I would like to do. So yeah, basically
that like sounds like a good plan to me.
Yeah, so the first one is started. I will for sure have time soon to finish it. And then I will proceed with the second and third one.
Okay. Okay. Yep, that sounds good. You can link a PR here if someone is interested and wants to take a look. Okay. Cool. So that was basically everything I prepared for today. Do we have anything else to discuss? Okay, going once, twice. So I assume the answer is no. All right, so I believe in that case we can finish early today. All right, so thank you everyone for joining, and hope to see you in 2 weeks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.